Hi friends, welcome back to channel Tecno. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important update regarding the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, this time the news is about the heating management in the Realme GT Neo 2. So we do know the Realme GT Neo 2 comes with a Snapdragon 870 chipset. That's what we do know before. But this processor will be having with the thermal paste with the diamonds on it. Yes. So this is how the cooling system works on the Snapdragon 870 in the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. So recently, I think just a couple of hours back, we got a video live demonstration on the Realme GT, how well the thermals works on this Realme GT Neo 2 as well, which is available in the YouTube. You can actually look out for that video as well. So they did demonstrate clearly by showing side by side, comparing with other thermal sheets as well, like the steel and iron sheets, comparing with the diamond sheet. So overall, we're going to see really good cooling system in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So which will definitely impact a lot of thermal management and less heating issues. So overall, the Snapdragon 870 doesn't have much kind of heating problems, but still, so having this kind of diamond coated thermals in this Realme GT Neo 2 will be really very good advantage to maintain low temperatures in this device. So other phones like the iQOO 7 and the iQOO 7 Legend, they do use the vapor chamber technology to cool down the device and to maintain the low temperatures, and the Realme X1 Max uses the stainless steel technology. You can see stainless steel vapor chamber type of technology. So different companies are different type of technologies that do improvement, but right now the Realme GT Neo 2 will be having the diamond coated thermals with the Snapdragon 870 chipset on this one. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. It's a quick update which I thought of giving you on all this Realme GT Neo 2 topic, and I'm really excited friends for this phone. China in India, I'm not sure when it is going to get launched. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. See you, bye.